Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we have another update of Edinburgh International Airport. Not much has changed about the airport since the last time, no real progress. I would just like to quickly mention that I have changed the name of the channel to Aviation 2K. I have my own reasons for this. I always knew that EGP Aviation would be temporary, as I was never really that happy with it and it didn't really mean anything to me. Without further ado, I'm just going to get straight into it. So starting here with this Delta 767-300ER. He's just arrived in from New York JFK. It's the main route which Delta serve between here and the United States. Okay, and up next we have this Emirates 777-300ER in the new livery. He's just arrived in from Dubai and will be flying back out in a few hours. I'm obviously completely aware that Emirates have suspended their route between Dubai and Edinburgh. I'm really hoping they will resume it, as they're a huge airline to have here. So yeah, I'm keeping my fingers crossed that they resume that route in the near future. And then finally for this part of the terminal is this Air Canada 787-9, who's going to be flying out to Toronto Pearson. Up next, just looking over the Goga burn that obviously runs through the middle of the airport. Here we have this Aer Lingus ATR 72. He's just about to push back for a flight out to Belfast. And then beyond him are a couple of British Airways aircraft. The first being a A320neo. He's going to be flying down to London Heathrow. And then the one beyond him is a British Airways A319. He's going to be flying down to London Gatwick. And then up next is this Finnair A321. He's going to be flying out to Helsinki. And then we have this Air France A320, who's going to be flying out to Paris Charles de Gaulle. Beyond him we have this Jet2 737-800. He's just arrived in from Lanzarote and all the passengers are getting off. And here, just moving over to the hard stands, in the back we have a Ryanair 737 MAX 8-200. He's going to be flying out to Riga in Latvia. And then the nearer aircraft is the EasyJet A320. He's going to be flying down to London Luton. And then the last aircraft for this update is this Ryanair 737-800. He has just arrived in from Milan. So that is that for this update. Thank you very much for watching and hopefully see you next time. Bye.